Welcome to this class on predicting stock prices using machine learning and data science methods. This is part of a larger series of teaching you different data science projects. Data science projects are one of the most valuable things you can do to build a portfolio and to gain experience in data science. And being able to work with stock data and doing time series prediction is an extremely valuable skill. In this class, we'll go over different models, different model types even, and how to evaluate their performance, have a look at some beautiful visualizations that you can do, and also go into how you can improve this and why this may not be the best approach you can take and how experts would do it differently. In this class, I'll teach the intricacies of validation of these difficult models and how to improve these models gradually to get the best kind of predictions. In turn, I expect you to know a little bit of Python. I'm not going over the basics. However, you're getting all the code, everything is available, you can see the project and build your first or maybe second data science project out of this. So if you're interested in this teaching, in these different types of models, and if you want to grab a copy of this code, I'll see you on the other side.